Welcome back, guys. So today we will see what is microservices and why do we choose microservices architecture over monolithic architectures, and after that we will create a small project related to a microservices. So let's see what is first of all microservices. Micro Microservices. So microservices is a small and loosely coupled distributed services which can be perform a specific business functions, can be developed and deployed independently in a server. And microservices work by breaking down a complex application into smaller independent pieces that will communicate and work together. So it will be easy for maintenance, and actually it will load its will load will be their load will be distributed, and technology independence and high availability. So these are the microservices. And why do we choose microservices over monolithic architectures? So first, let's see what are the drawbacks of monolithic monolithic drawbacks. Its drawbacks are, first of all, the main drawback is point single point of failure. It means, suppose our monolithic architecture project get down due to some reason, so each and every user will get affected by this. So this is the major drawback of monolithic architecture. And the second is, suppose if you want to do some changes or some any other updates, so you have to do redeploy your entire app again. So redeploy. Third is, app will be deployed in a single server, so there might be a burden on server, so this will be a major issue. Burden on server. So I think these are some major problems in monolithic architecture, and these can be sought out by microservices. So that's why currently people use microservices, distributed services over monolithic architectures. So let's suppose this is a single monolithic architecture, and these are the microservices, like it's divided into some pieces or some individual programs like that. So this is monolithic, and these are microservices. So this is a single app, and this is a project which are divided into some individual projects and some pieces. So maintenance of all projects are very easy in microservices, but in monolithic you have to shut down entire project and extend. in monolithic, suppose your project or server get down, so everyone will be get affected by this. And again, after resolving the problem, you have to deploy your entire app. But in microservices, suppose if you have a problem in this part of project, so you don't have to shut down these projects. Only you can shut down this and resolve the problem of this project, but this will be keep running. So I think these are the microservices architecture. And microservice design pattern is universal, and the main aim of microservice is to develop app with a loosely coupling. And also microservice based application means collection of REST APIs, and you can store and you can collect lots of APIs. And microservices means independently deployable and executable services, so the applications can be independently deployable. And as I told you that its benefits are loosely coupled, easy maintenance, load will be distributed, and highly availability. So actually microservice don't have any standard architecture for development, but people are customizing microservices project architecture according to their requirements. So further we are going to create a small microservices project, and we will also create as per our requirements. So it will be a small project related to microservice. So I'll tell you what will be our requirement for that. Just a second, guys. First of all, our requirement is service registry. Second one is admin server, Jipkin server, then fin client, then config server. I will tell you each and every requirements why do we need in our project. But first of all, I have to write it here. Then Apache, Kafka, and the backend APIs. So I think it's enough for our project, a small project. Then if we need anything else, so during our project creation we will add. So let me tell you what are these requirements and what is this service registry, admin server, Jenkins server. So service registry is nothing is used to maintain list of services available in the project, and inform the registered service like name of service and URL of service. And Eureka server is provided the service registry, and by Spring Cloud Netflix library we have to add some dependency related this. And admin server are the actuators, Spring actuators. We also have a Spring actuator dependency we will see in our project. So actuators are used to monitor and manage our applications, and also monitoring all the APIs separately. So it's the biggest challenge for in monitoring all the APIs separately. Admin server provides you and a user interface to monitor and manage all the APIs. Then Jipkin server is also used for distributed tracing. We can monitor which API is taking more time to process. So time taking process we can also monitor with Jipkin server. Backend APIs contains business logic like as we have created in our IRCTC booking take out those APIs maybe required in our project. Think Cloud is nothing, is just used for um, establish communication between two APIs. And then config server is a part of a Spring Cloud library. Then it is used to add some configuration files in our project. And Apache Kafka is work based on publisher and subscriber model to send messages from one app to another app. We will use Kafka as a mediator. So guys, these are our requirements, and further I will tell you a structure or design of our project that we are going to create in our further video. So thank you guys.